Outdoor lights may have gotten a lot more interesting because of these. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have in this box right here a couple of outdoor lights. Now, you have probably seen on my channel before that I have used outdoor lights, these little solar powered lights to light up bushes, trees, things like that, even put around my driveway or my sidewalks, and I really love them. But what makes this interesting is that these little lights tend to come alive, apparently, and I just thought, man, this winter, if I put these out in the lawn or something like that, and I'm looking out the window and I can see these little lights dancing. So what you can see here is that we have a little solar panel here. They do come covered in plastic. It looks like maybe a 2-inch square solar panel. So crystalline solar cell should capture energy by the day and then discharge it overnight. We have a little power button right here, on off, and you can see it's connected right here to this little bunch of stems here with these little LED lights. And I've heard these referred to as like Firefly lights. What you can see here is that they're flexible, and so, you know, as the wind passes through them, they'll kind of move around, dance a little bit, you know, dance. Oh yeah, feel the music. And I get two of them, so I can put them in a couple places. And now, instead of just having lights projected somewhere, you have these lights that might dance, show a little movement, kind of give some life to your outdoor area. And they do come with this little hollow aluminum rod here. Kind of reminds me of those metal straws that you would get, and we have a nylon spike on the end. So you put this in there, and then you just drive this guy into the ground. You know, this sticks up probably about 13, 14 inches. The whole thing in total looks like it's maybe 26, 27 inches tall. So bury, you know, 5 or 6 inches of this in the ground and then let these dance around here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put these outside, let them charge up, and then once it gets dark, let's see if these look as romantic and entertaining as I think they might. Let's try them out. Well, I've got them set up. We don't have much of a wind out here at the moment, but this is what they look like, man. They actually put out quite a bit of light. These are warm white, so they definitely look a little orangish. But what's cool about them is they look a little organic, and if you do have the wind blowing a little bit, I think these are going to look pretty cool. So I really dig them. They are definitely like another spin on those outdoor solar lights, and something that isn't really supposed to give off a lot of light, just maybe a little ambiance. But they're actually putting out kind of useful light, and they have a lot more style, I think, than some of the other ones. Wind's picking up a little bit. Are you gonna move? The wind kind of died down there. So I'm really excited about this. On those cool autumn nights and those cold winter nights, I think these little guys dancing outside the window out in the yard would be pretty cool. Hey, if you want to pick these up, they were pretty inexpensive. This 2-pack was like 19 bucks. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.